Hello friends, welcome to my channel. This is the monthly time frame of crude oil. As you can see, gold is in downtrend since 2008 and it made a bottom during start of coronavirus in 2020. Since then it is in uptrend. As you can see in MACD, it is in uptrend. Okay, let's come on weekly time frame. On monthly time frame you can see these resistance level, and let's come to weekly time frame. In weekly time frame I draw a resistance line, this blue resistance line. It crossed this blue resistance line during past week, but it came down under the resistance line. As you can see, it crossed again this blue line this week, and I thought price will come down under this trend line during these 2 to 3 days. As you can see, MACD is consolidating here, and I thought price will go to this $50 per barrel, 53 $52 per barrel. I follow price action strategy. Okay, let's come to 1 day time frame. As you can see, this parallel channel I draw on 25th Jan 20th Jan 22, and it follow correctly. I sell crude on 95 and I book profit on 92 approx, and I sell $100 per barrel and I hold the position till 95. uh, Again it come on my sell zone, because this is the time frame, this is the parallel channel, this follows the crude oil price. I thought this price will come down under this weekly resistance line. Let's come to 4-hour chart. This is the 4-hour chart. As you can see, price is making this parallel channel top, and I thought price will come down from here. This is my analysis. If you like, please join my Telegram channel, and if you want to join forex trader, best forex trader in India is OctaFX. If you want to join this, I given the link in my description box. You can follow. Thanks for watching.